Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're going to be brewing espresso using Bialetti's Brikka Moka Pot. The Bialetti Brikka is an all-aluminium stovetop espresso maker, and you may refer to it as a stovetop percolator. With one difference, it has the additional weight to the top of the brewing spout, and this increases the pressure whilst brewing, and this helps create the crema-like foam that sits on the top of your espresso coffee. The Brikka Moka Pot is a great brewer for a strong coffee that's full of this crema. Now the Brikka Moka Pot is compatible with gas and electric stovetops, and they come in a 2-cup and a 4-cup size. We're going to be using the 4-cup today, so let's get brewing using the Bialetti Brikka Moka Pot. First, weigh out and grind your beans. I'm using the well home grinder, and I'll use the filter basket to measure out my beans. You'll never get it wrong this way, but in weighing your coffee out, the basket holds approximately 33 grams. You want to grind your coffee to a fine grind. Nothing as fine as espresso, but not too coarse either. Place the grounds in the basket, and I'll flatten the grinds down gently with the back of a spoon to create a nice smooth surface. Next, fill up the top chamber with water to just cover the water gauge you see here, and then decant this into the bottom water vessel. It's around 170 mils. It's best to use heated water to fill the vessel too, as this will speed up the whole brew time and produce a smoother coffee. Place the filter basket on top, ensuring the surface around the rim is free of any grinds, as we want to make sure there's a nice seal when we connect the water vessel to the brew chamber. After that, I'm going to place it on the stove, ideally on a medium heat, as this will allow the water to slowly percolate up through the bed of coffee. Now it will start off brewing slow, and it may even stall where there is no crema being created, but what you can do is use the spoon to gently engage the weight so it begins building pressure again. It will speed up as it is finishing, and you'll know when it is done as the water begins spurting out. Now it should take a total of 4 minutes to finish brewing, and you don't want to leave it on the stove for too long after that. So turn off your heat and pour your coffee straight into your cups. I enjoy my coffee straight black, but of course they are the perfect coffee to add some steamed milk for a delicious latte. In cleaning the unit, wait for it to all cool down, and you can certainly rinse it under some cold water to speed this process up. And once it is cool, unscrew the top, remove the filter basket and tap out those grinds, so long as everything is cold. I also find blowing on the end of the funnel gets these grinds out really easily. Rinse everything under water, and it is really important to keep everything completely dry if you want to avoid any oxidization of the aluminium or build-up of burnt coffee. And it's important also to store the top and the bottom separate to keep that seal fresher for longer. And that's the Bialetti Brikka Moka Pot for you. It's an effective way at getting a great crema onto your coffee, and the Brikka is a very durable coffee maker you can count on for years to come. It's easy to use and quite portable. Any questions on the Bialetti Brikka Moka Pot, throw them in the comments below and we'll get straight back to you. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit like. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep notified when we bring out videos just like this every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.